doing the question of timing? Can the budget do anything to address this, given that we're still in post-pandemic recovery stage? And maybe some of the things that Mr. Shukla are talking about are intuitive, but they could also be considered by many, or argued by many, as being inequitable, because at this time it is a different segment of society that needs the help the most. And again, raising GST rates at a time when inflation is a concern, and it's not the most progressive ways of raising tax revenue, would just add to the problem.
Well, Menka, I agree with some of the prognosis of Sachidanand. Okay. Yeah, so you have to have, especially you have to have faster consumption growth in order to use that idle capacities, and then only you will have at economy level, at macro level, more capex or more investment growth coming in, investment led, which is more sustainable. Now, if you look at, say, from 2012, 11-12 to 2019-20, when you have some detailed data on how the wages at the economy level have behaved, and both wages growth and private final consumption expenditure growth, both in the nominal terms, have trended downward from 2011-12 to 2019-20. We'll get 2021 data maybe in a week or 10 days time from now, and we'll be able to see, because 2021 is going to give you all sorts of things. Savings rate going up, household savings rate going up, doesn't mean that households are out of foods. So when I'm referring to household, I'm referring to household as the economic agent, which are neither private corporate, not public corporate, not the government, whatever left. So it has most of the MSMEs, etc., etc. There is compelling reason because corporate tax rate has been reduced, and household individual taxation rate is much higher than the peak corporate tax rate. So there is a compelling reason. Will it resolve problem? Will it solve problem? Unlikely. Because what it is going to do, if all three of us whose faces we can see each other's faces, if all three of us are given 1 lakh rupee rebate, how many of us, whether we are going to spend that 3 lakh? Answer is no, because the marginal propensity to consume as we go up the income ladder is reduces. Yeah. But if that 3 lakh is given to 10 people, 30,000 each, most likely, and those people have marginal propensity to consume equivalent to 1, so most likely that they will spend. But the problem is how to identify those people in urban area and how to give it, which form and how it will happen. Will it something like as Siddharth rightly said, and it has been talked, people are talking about it, many economists have talked about it in the last 2 years, the urban Manrega or whatever one they say. So kind of jobs which Manrega in the rural Manrega is done, in urban areas, who does it? Municipal corporations. So are we targeting those jobs which are done by the municipal corporations? And can those kind of jobs which is done under Manrega at rural area, can the similar jobs be done in the urban area? It is very difficult.